Hi, my name is Muhammad Aziz bin Muhammad Azri. My number matric is 01DP20F1026, and today I would like to present about essay from DEP 30083 Telecommunication Network. For the answer of question 1, the IP Multimedia System IMS architecture is divided into 4 intermediate layers such as access layer, core layer, control layer, and service layer. User can also connect to the IP Multimedia System in a variety of methods, the majority of which use regular IP. Although they use IP and run as IP user agent, IP Multimedia System terminal such as mobile phone, personal digital assistant, and computer can register directly on the IP multimedia system. First of all, the access layer can work in or gain access from any mobile network from 3G to 4G, as well as other fixed network such as Wi-Fi, WiMAX, cable, DSL, and so on. IP router at the core transport layer are responsible for routing signal and other message. The season control layer is the next layer, which is the main layer and IMS, and it contains the call season control function as well as the home subscriber server. The call season control function is used to set up call, although them, and terminate the console, so it is in charge of the entire call season. The next home subscriber server hold the user profile as well as the user's location, and it is database of the user's profile. The next layer is the application layer, also known as the IP media server, and it contains 3 components, namely the application server, the multimedia resource function controller, and the multimedia resource function process. The application server is nothing more than where the service the user need, and it will provide those services to the user. The multimedia resource function processor is also known as IP media server, and it will provide service such as voice over IP. For the answer of question 2 is asymmetric digital subscriber line ADSL technology is a type of digital subscriber line DSL technology that provide faster data transmission over copper telephone line than a regular voice band modem ADSL. Is distinct from symmetric digital subscriber line, which are less widespread. Asymmetric bandwidth and bitrate are used in ADSL, which mean they are higher toward the client premise downstream and the reverse upstream. ADSL is often marketed as an internet access service primarily for obtaining content from the internet rather than delivering content to others. ADSL operate by using spectrum that exceed the range used for voice telephone call. DSL filter, also known as divider, isolate frequency band, allowing a single telephone line to be used for both ADSL service and telephone call. The connection usually terminate at the telephone exchange at the digital subscriber line access multiplexer DSLAM, where another frequency splitter separate the voice band signal for the conventional phone network. Data transmit over ADSL is often routed through the telephone company's data network before reaching a traditional internet protocol network. The majority of ADSL connections today are full duplex. Among them, such as frequency division duplex FDD, echo cancellation duplex ECD, or time division duplex is the most common way to achieve full duplex ADSL communication on a wire pair TDD. The upstream and downstream band are 2 different frequency bands used by FDD. The upstream strip is used for communication between the telephone center office and the end user. Downstream lines are used to communicate with the end user from the central office.